कलर्स नेम। प्यारे बच्चों, आज हम ए फॉर एप्पल, बी फॉर बॉल बनाना सीखेंगे। ये देखो बच्चों, ब्लैक कलर, ग्रीन कलर, ऑरेंज कलर, ब्लू कलर, पिंक कलर, रेड कलर, येलो कलर। चलो बच्चों, वीडियो को शुरू करते हैं। येलो कलर, ए for apple, yellow color. A for apple, apple means save. Red color. B for balloon. B for balloon, balloon means gubara. Pink color. C for cat, cat means pilli. Blue color. D for duck. D for duck. Duck means badak. Orange color. E for egg. Egg means anda. E. Green color. F for fish. Green color. F for fish. Fish means machli. Black color. G for grapes. Grapes mean angur. Black color. G for grapes. Pink color. H for horse. Horse mean ghoda. H. Red color. I for ice cream. Ice cream mean ice cream, small I. Yellow color. J for juice. Juice means juice, small j. Orange color. K for kite. Kite means patang, small k. Blue color. L for lion. Lion means sher, small l. Green color. M for mango. Mango means small m. Black color. N for nest. Nest means घोंसला, small n. Green color. O for orange. Orange means संतरा, small o. Black color. P for parrot. Parrot means तोता, small p. Pink color. Q. Q for queen. Queen means Milka. Small Q. Red color. R. R for rabbit. Rabbit means खरगोश. Small R. Yellow color. S. S for sun. Sun means Suraj. Small S. Orange color. T. T for tomato. Tomato. T for tomato. Tomato means tomato. Blue color. U. U for umbrella. Umbrella means chhatri. Small U. Pink color. V. V for van. Van means gaadi. Small V. Green color. W. W for watch. Watch means घड़ी. Small W. Black color. X. X for xylophone. Xylophone means xylophone. Small X. Blue color. Y. Y for yolk. Yolk means भैंसा. Small Y. Red color. Z. Z for zebra. Zebra means zebra. Small Z. चलो बच्चों रिवीजन करें. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for egg. F for fish. G for girl. H for horse. I for ice cream. J for juice. K for kite. L for lion. M for mango. N for nest. O for orange. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for rabbit. S for sun. T for tiger. U for umbrella. V for van. W for watch. X for xylophone. Y for york. Z for zebra.